Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Are you stuck on the Google lock screen? That is the FRP lock we are talking about. If you couldn't remember the Google account, or you have got a second-hand Samsung device, how to bypass Samsung FRP lock? The easiest way is to leave it to the professional tool. Today I'm gonna show you a super easy tool, Unlock Android. Let's see how it works. First, download the tool from iToolab website. Run the Unlock Android on your computer and connect your Samsung phone with the USB cable. Then, select the right system version running on your device and click Next. Depending on the operation version, Unlock will give you the latest solution. So all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions. When the setup has been done, Unlock will start bypassing FRP. So you just need to wait a few minutes and done. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question about unlocking Android, please let me know in the comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe.